Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the AC Milan home shirt for the 24-25 season. And this shirt was purchased from bstjersey.com or bestjersey.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. If I can find one, I'll also leave a dhgate link to my usual seller with this item. The shirt itself comes in a standard Puma bag, and on the backside it is just plain. Now this is the second item that I've looked at from bstjersey.com. The first one was the PSG shirt, so fingers crossed this one is as good as the last one. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But before we open this one, seller bstjersey.com. All details for the seller in the description of the video, and hopefully I will also leave you a dhgate link as well. If you have used BST Jersey, please let me know below what items you got and what you thought of them, because to say the first one that I had was really good, so fingers crossed this one is as good. So what we'll do now is we'll open the bag and let's have a look at this AC Milan shirt. Okay, we'll start at the front of this shirt, and it's just got a standard ring neck collar. Got a couple of joins on either side, just where the stitching comes in. On the sleeve, we have a sponsor of MSC. Now, is that on the right sleeve? Because most of the times you see the sleeve sponsors on this one. I don't actually know. If anybody does know, let me know in the comments, because that's either a miss or yeah, it's correct. But don't think I've ever seen a sleeve sponsor on that side. Puma has been heat pressed on. Likewise, the AC Milan shirt and the star. This is the player spec one, so it is going to be that little bit tighter as well on the body. Emirates fly better, lovely and smooth. Being the player spec one, you do have the air pockets down the side there, and the authentic license to football, which again has been heat pressed on. There's a little bit of a excess plastic there, but I'm sure that will soon come off. Put my hand on the material and say this is the player one, so you expect it to be quite lightweight, and yeah, it is see-through, but to be fair, I would expect that because of the nature of the shirt. Oh, actually, I just noticed you do have a Puma here on this sleeve as well, which has been heat pressed on, and there's one on this side as well. These are quite thick plastic actually, really quite nice. And a nice smoothness through where the sponsor is on the shirt. That feels absolutely lovely. One of my favourite shirts is the AC Milan ones. Quite plain, quite simple, but really, really effective. Okay, we're through to the back now. Collar's fine. Here we have the AC Milan 125 years. So this must be a centenary shirt. And we do have the name of Christian Pulisic on the back, or Pulisic, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But that's gone on really nice. Likewise with the number 11, really smooth. There are a couple of creases down here from where the shirt's been folded up in the bag, but nothing to worry about. What BST Jersey do is they send you photos before you actually get the shirt, so you know exactly what it's going to be like. So when you get it, it might not be in the bag as nice as it comes from the factories, but you have seen the shirt in advance. And that's where I'm kind of kicking myself a little bit if this is on the wrong sleeve. I'm going to have a look, because if it is on the wrong sleeve, then I should have picked that up, and that's my fault. Obviously, they should put it on the right one, but I had the opportunity of checking it. So, yeah, it's kind of on me if I've approved that. Flip it around, and we'll look at the inside now. Okay, we're on to the inside, and we'll start with the tag that you get. Regular fit, Puma XL. Official technical sponsor. But as I said, this is a player one, so although it says regular fit, it is going to be a lot tighter onto the body. Stitching all looks absolutely perfect. Again, we've got our Puma tag down here. This is the washing instructions. No, it's just a product code. But talking of washing, when you do come to wash these shirts, put them on a hand wash setting. And when you dry them, just let them air dry. There's the Puma and the AC Milan badge, and the sponsor is just here. You can see that's gone on really well. No creases, lovely and smooth. And then we do have the sleeve sponsor on this side, which again has gone on absolutely fine. Very nice hemline as well. But you can actually see a bit better now on the inside, the see-throughness of this material. But as I said, expectations would be for that because this is the player one, so it is going to be that lighter fit. Let's flip it around and look at the other side. Okay, we're on the final part of the inside of the shirt. Collar line looks all good. Puma XL and the Social Club Institution 1899 to 2024 being a centenary shirt. And there's the name set of Pulisic, and the number 11, again, lovely and smooth. All looking really nice. And I know we're on the inside now, but this is what I like about the AC Milan shirts. They keep it plain here, but then at the bottom, the stripes continue again. Oh, look, quite a lot of loose cut on there. Scissors will soon sort that out though. We've got it on this side, haven't we? Oh, a little bit there, I didn't notice that on the tag, but again, nothing really to worry about. Scissors will soon sort that out. But yeah, lovely and smooth on the inside. Fantastic looking shirt, this one. I do like the AC Milan ones. So as I said, plain, simple, but very, very effective. Right, and there is our AC Milan shirt for the 24-25 season from bstjersey.com, or bestjersey.com, as I'm sure they're trying to get their name out there as. And yeah, this, I've done a quick Google, it is on the wrong sleeve. It should be on that one. And I've looked at the photos they sent me, and yeah, clear as daylight, it's on that side. So it's my own fault. Yes, they should have put it on the right one, but I approved the images. So actually, it's on me. I didn't challenge it, which is a kicker because I absolutely adore this shirt. So annoyed, I'm gonna have to go and buy myself another one now at some stage because I do want the correct one because I love the design of this. Such a nice shirt. So yeah, on me. If you are new around here and you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you leave any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll leave a link for the seller in the description of the video. I'll also try and leave a dhgate one as well for the same product if I can find it from my usual seller. But there you have it. There is your AC Milan home shirt from bstjersey.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.